want Iran to have nukes. I want Pakistan to give Iran nukes right now. That's what I want. I want this to end. No one is worried about Iran's nukes. No one. Coons isn't worried about it. Hexeth isn't worried about it. Israel isn't worried about it. No one in the United States is worried about nukes. It is a freaking cover story to scare Americans into agreeing to enter a war that has been devastating for our country and the global economy. God, I can't stand the fact that we are being ruled by the dumbest people in the country right now. Pete Hegseth is clearly one of the dumbest people in the country. Oh, Iran doesn't control the Strait of Hormuz. We control the Strait of Hormuz. Sure, buddy. Sure. Go ahead and tell yourself that, you freaking piece of crap. I don't know what to do about this, Cenk. This is going on and on and on. All of us are suffering from it. And the people who get to make the decisions about where we go from here is the idiot you just heard from.